Which low-sugar snacks are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible options that are not only tasty, but also guilt-free.
Product number 1, Atkins Indulge Peanut Butter Cups. First up, we've got the Atkins Indulge Peanut Butter Cups. What caught my eye is the promise of only 1 gram of net carbs and 0 grams of sugar per serving. If you're craving a sweet treat without the guilt, this is worth a serious look. Now, why does this matter for you specifically? These delicious little cups are perfect for satisfying that sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar. Each 0.6-ounce cup is individually wrapped, making it super convenient for on-the-go snacking. Plus, with over 5,000 units sold in just the past month, people are clearly loving these. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They fit right into a low-carb or keto lifestyle, letting you indulge without sacrificing flavor. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small. Here's the thing though, most low-sugar snacks can feel unsatisfying, but these cups pack a punch in flavor that often leaves you satisfied. This is perfect for you if you're on a keto diet and need a sweet fix. Skip this one if you prefer larger snacks or want something more filling. But for the price, you can't beat the value for a low-sugar option like this. Now, if the size of those cups bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Atkins Keto Cookies and Cream Clusters. Next, we have the Atkins Keto Cookies and Cream Clusters. These are marketed as a crunchy and creamy low-carb treat, and they definitely caught my attention. With only 1 gram of net carbs and less than 1 gram of sugar per serving, if you're looking for a satisfying snack, this is worth a serious look. What's great about these clusters is that they blend the indulgence of cookies and cream with a keto-friendly profile. Each 0.92-ounce piece is perfect for a quick snack at home or on the go, so you won't feel left out during treat time. The reviews suggest that these clusters are a great way to enjoy a sweet experience without the sugar crash that often follows. However, some people found the texture a bit crumbly, but honestly, this can actually add to the enjoyable crunch that many snack lovers appreciate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quick, low-sugar snack that still feels like a treat. Skip this one if you prefer soft snacks or aren't a fan of cookie clusters. For a keto-friendly option, the value is solid. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more protein. Product number 3, Protein 100 Cookbook. Coming in third is the Protein 100, delicious real food recipes for hitting 100 plus grams of protein per day cookbook. Now, I know this isn't a snack per se, but it's perfect for those looking to add low-sugar, high-protein meals to their diet. At $26.99, it's a small investment for a lifestyle change. So why does this matter? The book provides delicious recipes that can help you meal prep snacks like breakfast burritos and turkey meatball sandwiches that are low in sugar but high in protein. Having easy, healthy recipes at your fingertips makes it easier to stick to a low-sugar diet. It's also a great way to avoid those store-bought snacks that can sometimes be misleading. Now, some might be hesitant about the price for a cookbook, but think about it. If it helps you avoid expensive or unhealthy snacks in the long run, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to up your protein intake while keeping sugar low. Skip this one if you prefer ready-to-eat snacks instead of cooking. The long-term savings on groceries can make it a valuable resource. Now, if you're looking for something crunchy and savory, the next snack has you covered. Product number 4, Kirkland Signature Keto Snack Mix. Next up is the Kirkland Signature Keto Snack Mix. This 24-ounce bag is designed to satisfy those savory cravings without the sugar. If you're on the hunt for a low-sugar snack that's filling, give this a serious look. What's great here is that it's a blend of nuts and cheese that keeps you satiated while keeping those carbs low. The sizable bag makes this perfect for sharing or for stocking up for a week's worth of snacks. Plus, it's got no added sugars, which is crucial when you're watching your intake. However, some folks mention that it can be a bit salty. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy a savory kick to your snacks, you might find this a delightful treat rather than a drawback. This is perfect for you if you love crunchy, cheese-flavored snacks. skip this one if you're sensitive to salt or prefer sweeter options. The value here is fantastic, especially for those large quantities. Alright, that was a tasty option. But if you're still craving something sweet, our last pick is absolutely worth your time.
Product number 5. Atkins Indulge Peanut Butter Cups once again, but with a twist. They're not just versatile, they're a favorite among those who want to indulge without the sugar. These cups deliver a creamy peanut butter experience with 0 grams of sugar per serving. If you want a sweet treat that fits into your low-sugar lifestyle, this is definitely worth looking into. These cups are not only tasty, but also convenient for anyone needing a quick snack. The individually wrapped design means you can throw one in your bag without any fuss. Their popularity is evident, with thousands bought in the last month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They allow you to enjoy dessert without the guilt. Some reviews pointed out that the chocolate coating could be better, but honestly, for a low-sugar snack, I think they do a fantastic job of balancing flavor and dietary needs. This is perfect for you if you're craving something sweet but want to keep your sugar low. Skip this one if you're seeking healthier options or don't enjoy peanut butter. The price point is great for what you're getting.
So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Atkins Indulge Peanut Butter Cups, the Keto Cookies and Cream Clusters, the Protein 100 Cookbook, the Kirkland Signature Keto Snack Mix, and finally, another look at those delicious peanut butter cups. Each has its own strengths, whether you're craving sweet or savory. Whatever your taste preference, there's a low-sugar snack here for you.